Welcome to bestsub.tv. I'm Alex. Today I want to show you guys our new sublimation pillow covers, and I have got two collections here. And these two pillow covers, they have one side made of tie-dyed fleece, and with these very beautiful, very dreamy pastel colors. And you can choose from two sizes. This one is 40 by 40 centimeters, and this one is 45 by 45 centimeters. And you can choose from long fleece and short fleece. They are both very fluffy, very soft and comfortable. And the back side is made of microfiber. It's also very soft and comfortable, and most importantly, it's perfect for sublimation printing. So you can print your design on the back side and then just throw it on your couch. It will definitely bring a brand new, fresh look to your couch. And the other collection of pillow covers is made of colorful cotton Oxford fabric and white satin, and available in 5 pastel colors. This one is light purple, and we also have light blue, light green, light pink, and light gray. And they are also very smooth, very soft, and comfortable to lean on. And you can add your personal touch on the pillow covers in 2 ways. We really recommend you to sublimate on the white satin side, and then heat transfer vinyl design on the colorful side, and they will make the perfect unique pillows. And next, I'm going to show you how to print the pillow covers, so please keep watching.